So the first thing that you'll need to do is download a version of Python. I'm using the most current version, 3.77. You're going to want to make sure that you have Add Python to Path checked and do the setup. The next thing that we're going to do is install pip, which is a package manager for Python. We'll do that by copy-pasting this code provided in the description. Then what we're going to want to do to install YouTube DL is just type in pip install YouTube_DL. Lastly, we're going to go to ffmpeg's website and download a Windows build of ffmpeg, which will come in a neat little folder like this. Check inside it to make sure it has the bin folder. It does. So then I rename this and move it to my root of my drive. Paste it there. I rename it ffmpeg. And then I go inside, go into the bin folder where the application is, copy this path, go to edit the system environment variables, go to my environment variables, go to path, go to edit. I'm going to go to new, paste in the path to the ffmpeg bin. Next step is to download my plugin at my GitHub, which is the ytpp.zxp file. Download this file from my GitHub, and then you're going to go to this website, Anastasia Extension Manager, and this is what you'll use to install my plugin. Just download the Windows version. It's pretty simple. Just select install once you have it running, and it will ask you for my extension that I just showed you. Click on that, and it will install it into Premiere, and then you start up Premiere again in a new instance, and my extension should be installed. So here's me using it, freshly installed on my computer. I go to Window, Extensions, YTP, and I'm selecting my download folder where the footage will be downloaded to. Then I paste the URL. And I paste the URL, it downloads, imports the file.
She adds the canned chunk-style tuna fish, and notice that she uses a wooden spoon to avoid discoloration of the mixture.
So, currently the video is downloaded at highest quality is 1080p. So the first thing that you're going to want to do on the Mac is go to my old Mac build and download the zip folder, unzip it on your desktop, and make sure it's spelled the same way it is on my screen. If you place the folder somewhere else or rename it, it'll break my script. Once you've unzipped it to the desktop, open it and select the master install text file. Open a new terminal instance, and then open the master install text file, copy paste its contents into the terminal. This will install all of the dependencies my script relies on. Next, what you're going to want to do is type in chmod 755 into the terminal, and then drag and drop the ytpp bash text file into it. This will turn this text file into a bash file that my script uses to run. Then download my plugin from GitHub, as well as Anastasia's Extension Manager, Mac version. I don't have any footage, but it's a really simple process. Just open it and hit the install button for plugins and select my plugin. So here I attempt to use it, but it's the first time, so my Mac says it can't run my bash file because it's from an unidentified developer. So what we do is we go to System Preferences, we click on the pop-up under Security and Privacy, and it's for my bash file. We hit Open. I see that I don't have a output folder selected, so I close it, which breaks my script and causes it to freeze. If this happens to you, what you need to do is go to the desktop folder and select ytppdone.txt and then write some characters to it and save it, and this will unfreeze Premiere. So now I run it again after setting a destination folder with the set folder button, and it auto imports into Premiere. My screen capture doesn't have sound, but sound works. It downloads it with sound, and it downloads the video at a maximum resolution of 1080p.